Where did spawn us? Where did spawn us? Where did spawn us? Where did spawn us?
Hallway. So we're going to the office area or what?
Yeah. If that would even make it there in time. That's a drop off for stuff like right now.
Oh shit, let me come back then.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Go to the office area, I'll meet you there.
There's a black guy over here. You better not shoot him or you're racist.
Alright, that's me.
I know.
Disconnected.
Whoa.
Almost fucking doinked you. Holy fucking shit when you ran ahead of me. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
I'm full auto. I'm full auto.
I was full auto, that's why I'm surprised that he's still alive. Tequila's here. I dunked him 3 times. How well does Tequila's mask fare against Tequila, by the way?
It's good.
Pretty good, yeah, pretty good. He zeroed out my vest already. He zeroed out my vest.
Where is he?
Like I said, shoot his legs. Leg meta.
He's trying to actually shoot me right now.
Where is he?
Same corner.
You want me to go get him?
Tommy, if you shoot him like 8 times in the leg, he's dead. With your PPSI, it's really good.
Oh fuck, another guy's coming up on the other side. He just blocked up my arm.
He's up top office area. Is he dead? Come on, talk to me.
Like it was this guy. Yeah, I'm blacked out. I'm on the ground floor.
Okay, I'm coming down to you.
I'm on ground floor. I'm on second floor by the toilet right now. I'm healing up. My left arm's blacked out. And my Korund is now dead in the water.
Oh, you're in the bathroom area?
Bathroom area.
Okay. Is there still hostile over there by you?
There's a guy on the bridge, scab. You know the metal bridge?
Yeah.
This economics is so fucking terrible. I can't ADS for shit.
Alright, I'm gonna get the scab on the bridge.
Alright, cool. No, I'm taking off the scope so I can get better ergo.
You don't need to IDS. Like, you have a laser. 100 rounds.
That was me breaching, that was me.
Alright, cool. Wait, I have a laser. I forgot the tracer rounds, right, of course. So, this was almost out of ammunition. This was almost out of
Yeah,
ammunition.
200 rounder. That's me coming up.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm loading the other magazine in.
I saw a bear in this area. You fix it to cooperate?
Is that you lining? It's me.
Fuck, I DC'd.
My current is blacked out. Like 1 hit from this guy.
Oh, what's that?
Did I just kill Da? I just killed Da, didn't I? Yeah, I killed fucking Da by mistake.
Yeah,
I killed you by mistake. I honestly didn't know you were there. I honestly didn't know there was you. I just heard footsteps. I didn't know you on that side.
Oh my god, man, chill. I'm just...
Hey, I'm at filing cabinets.
Yeah, I'm in fine. I'm in the safe room right now. You already losing the safe. Of course you losing the safe. Of course you losing the safe.
Guy
Right?
always gets
Yeah, I
shot.
didn't have much.
Yeah, my guy.
Manu, do you want a 590
insured.
A1 shotgun?
That's pretty tempting. Yes.
I didn't lose any ammo for it. If you want it, come in here.
Now hold on. Zagila already blocked on my fucking vest and everything. I want to look for him. I doinked him a good bit of time in his face. Got up still.
Where are you?
I'm in connector still.
Okay.
Fucking thing. That's
Do you think
that- I'm a civilian. I have no gun.
Is he in that same spot again?
Same spot, same fucking corner. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna push him. Fuck this noise. I'm gonna
If
go run.
you
up to him.
push him, please shoot him in the fucking legs. Let him push it. Let
I'm
Tommy
by
push
extract.
it. His guns.
You're by gate 3.
Yep.
Who's shooting upstairs?
Not me.
Okay, cool.
Somebody else went up there, I think. Whoa. Stairwell, that's not you?
Guys upstairs at stairwell. That's not me. Top floor.
Alright, I can't stay here.
Get out. Extract.
Oh, no, I want to kill this guy.
I know where he is. I'm at like I'm on the staircase
Quiet,
right now,
quiet,
and I'm
quiet,
at where's I'm at staircase. It's Sagila. Oh,
Are you up?
I'm dead. Oh my god, the fuck is this guy?
Famous last
I
words.
killed Tequila. Oh,
it's
my
Tequila.
god. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him.
Oh, I just literally did all the work.
No, I put a full mag in his legs, dude.
Yep, take everything. Nothing is insured.
I did 900 damage. I did 928 damage to body and 915 damage to armor.
Was that you I was shooting at on the stairwell?
Most likely.
Confused the fuck out of me.
That was your arm. Was the Korun that you got me like fully armored already? Like it was full?
Yeah, fully armors, even found in raid.
Boss, dude, that guy, I'm not gonna lie to you, Tequila zeroed it in like no time.
Shit, I'm almost dead.
Nah, he's the easiest one. Just give him comms for now. I know the stress when you loot and stuff.
He'll be fine.
No, if you don't stress out while you loot, you're not a gamer.
Alright, I'm just gonna load Magnum Buck in my MP153. Ah, easy. Actually, no, let's load for shit. Load for shit. Load for shit. Pick some Magnum Buck. Good luck. Oh, yeah. Feeling it, dog?
Fucking poor people problems.
Wow.
You stop calling people that, you fucking
Wow,
toxic,
you're a
masculine
capitalist,
piece of shit.
accelerational piece of shit, yeah. Fucking classist. What are you gonna do? Call me wealthy now? Because I rely.
You fucking poor.
What I'm gonna bring you, man, is something really that you really need.
What, an MP153 with flechette rounds?
No, not a gun, just a simple thing you need for now.
Golden cock?
No, I swear it's not. Golden cock. But something really good.
There's so much pistol grips.
Yo,
Hey, what's up,
Yo,
dude?
just playing some Magic.
I'm out. Woo!
nice.
So I got Tegila's armor, which is actually in pretty good condition.
That's good. Yeah, because you like meta
I
him.
did was shoot his head, because all I did was shoot his head.
I got the MCX out.
You fucking idiot.
I got the
I
MCX
had
out.
an MTX. I thought I could kill him. I thought I
You
could kill him.
cannot. Like I said, like meta him. I calculated and I got it with
Hey.
fucking like there's an application. You shoot him 8 times with PPSH in the leg, he's done. But if you shoot him with MCX 762 by 30 or 35, he's gone with like 6 or 4 bullets in the leg.
Was only shooting him in the face because that's all I could have shot him at the time with. And I
Nah,
put like about 8 to 10 bullets into his face, so I knew it wasn't going to be enough.
that's why he's dead and he's not.
Well, shit, sorry. Fuck. He ran up into second store office looking for me. My bad. Be right back real quick.